Girl, if you know by now, say you have my heartstring. Are you for bring me joy, you for bring all me offspring, yeah, 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 yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing this hair tutorial, and of course I'm showing this wig from RPG here. Where else? Duh. So this is the Pre-Plucked 360 lace wig, and it's body wave Indian Remy hair. Yes, Indian Remy hair. It feels so good. It's so soft, it's bouncy, it's full. I love it. It's of a natural color. It's 20 inches long, and yes, it came with the improved lace, so it looks very much like a natural scalp. It is very believable, and I love that about it. And the density of this is 180%. All I wanted to do is just show you guys how to really lay this wig, and I refined the waves a little bit more. They're really nice. You could just go ahead and wear this wig as is with these gorgeous waves, but I wanted to just, you know, go over it a tad, but you see that further down in the video. What I did right here though is I showed you guys the front there, so you really and truly, you don't have to go in and pluck this hair anymore, because it does come pre-plucked and it's nicely done. So if you don't have OCD like me about the front of your lace wigs, then you could go ahead and just rock it as is. But I, for the most part, always go in and pluck a little bit more from the edges. I don't know, give it a little bit more depth with how the graduation is in the front. And I moved on to just refining the waves a bit. So what I did, I took my wand and I pretty much just started to wand it up, just like it's nothing special. Just wrap the hair around it and I let it sit for a bit. But what I didn't do, I didn't take any rods or anything to pin the hair or secure it, because I wanted it to fall and be like super loose and wavy, like bombshell wave vibes. All right, so after I'm done with that, I pretty much wanted to refine the parting. I love the fact that with this wig, they didn't give me that factory looking type of part. It came with a center part, but the parting was like not super straight, and I really like that. But I did go in and I tried to straighten it some more. I kind of struggled with that, but I fixed it up even more after this clip that you're seeing. So I really wanted to lay the top portion of this wig really flat. So I took my hot comb and my got to be freezing spray, and I really just focused the comb through the top there of the like roots portion and just really press down on it so it was as flat as possible. Then I ran through the waves with this comb that I got in my RPG hair package. What I did was I held the end of the hair so that it wasn't just like, I held it so that the wave didn't fall apart basically. So this is what the wig is looking like at the end. I absolutely love it. It's very nice. So I proceeded to just, you know, applying it to my head and adjusting it in position. So as you see, honestly, you could legit go ahead and rock this and just stick the combs that come in the wig within your hair and not use any adhesive. It looks so realistic. But I went ahead and I used some more of the freezing spray at the very front of my like edges. So you see, I'm not using a wig cap today. You know, I feel like everybody is forgetting that, you know, you don't have to always use a wig cap, because wig caps are so, that method is so popular now. It's like it's all that's ever done. Yet more when you use that method, the wig stays on for a longer period. But hey, suppose you're just going out for tonight and you want to keep the wig on for tonight only, this works still. So go ahead and you can apply the wig like this, you know. So I just took my time and I applied that in sections. So I applied it to the center first and kind of just press down on the area, really press the lace down onto my edges. And then I moved on to taking my blow dryer. I did this right across the edges and just really allow that to melt in my skin. Now this is where I did the little swoop, and I just used a little bit of the spray to lay this. I didn't want it to be too hard, so I just took my time because I wanted it to look very natural and like effortless. So yeah, this is how it's looking like. It looks flawless. I love it. This is pretty much it for how I laid and slayed this wig today from RPG here. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If it was, give it a thumb up. And all the information on this wig, the specifications, will be in my description box. Also, the direct link to it will be in my description box. So if you want to order it for yourself, go ahead, click the link, and you can get it from my direct page link on RPG here. You know, you'll see other wigs that I've worn from RPG. So if you want to check those out, you can support your girl. I really appreciate it. Yeah, guys. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, bye.